Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Peroxide Test Strips. What is AquaChek Peroxide Test Strips? AquaChek Peroxide Test Strips are a fast and easy way to check the peroxide level in your pool. Results in 15 seconds. Test peroxide, pH, and total alkalinity. Product benefits. Easy to use and maintain your swimming pool or spa. Takes about 15-30 seconds to show results. Usage directions. Step 1. Dip strip and remove from water. Do not swish or shake off excess water. Step 2. Immediately compare peroxide to the chart. Step 3. At 15 seconds, compare pH and alkalinity to chart. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.